How to tip on Lyft. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can tip drivers on the Lyft app after your ride. But one thing I want you to know is that you can always tip drivers even after 72 hours of your ride. Okay. Now the second thing to note is that you have to have the Lit app installed on your mobile device, and you have to have created an account, and you have to have gone on a ride. So having filled all of these requirements on the app's interface, by the top upper by the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on it. Once you click on it, and your drop-down menu would appear. And this drop-down menu, you would see a list of options such as notifications, free rides, ride history, etc. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be clicking on ride history. So in this ride history, for me, I have not had any rides so far. Okay, I don't have any rides so far. That's why this place is empty. But for you, your rights will display here. So for the driver that you want to tip, all you need to do is to select the right. Once you select the right, the option tip driver would come up. Just click on it and then leave the rest to light. Light would tip the driver on your behalf. Another way to tip the driver is by checking the receipt sent to your email. Like after payment has been confirmed, a receipt will be sent to your email. Just check it. But on the receipt, you would see an option asking you to tip the driver. So you can just click on the link and then you will further directed on how to tip the driver. And the further directions could be how much and how you want to tip the driver and all of that. So just go ahead and fill and follow the instructions, then the driver would be tipped. So this is how to tip on Lyft. Thanks for watching.